Hi, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Editor UK. My name is Michael, and as always, we bring you the very latest in price, hype, and speculation in the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Now, if you want to find out how as little as 65 US dollars can turn into 20,000 US dollars in a matter of only 4 years, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be bringing you that very content in this video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight in right after this. Okay, then let's jump straight into the cryptocurrency prices and where's best to find out what the current price of your crypto asset is. So as I've advised, CoinMarketCap will be the best place to check exactly where the price is. Just checking coinmarketcap.com. We're looking here, as you can see, Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency at the moment, and the current price of Bitcoin stands at recording is £6,866,000. That's US dollars and 77 cents. Now, what we can do when we go to CoinMarketCap, this is the home of all cryptos, where there are thousands of coins listed. As you can see up here, the number of current cryptocurrencies stands at 5,315. So there are many coins available on the market. And what I wanted to do today was just go through CoinMarketCap and how to use that as your resource and your tool in checking price action. Okay, so this is going to be your Bible, really. This is where you're going to go to see exactly where everything stands. So just very quickly, for your benefit, just up here you can change the language that you choose to view the site in. So I'm just going to click here. I think there's a bit of lag. So yeah, so you've got different language options. You've got Deutsch, English, Spanish, Filipino, French. I'm not sure what that one is, but it looks very exotic. And also you can choose to view the price here. So the price action at the moment, currently it's in dollars. Now, in all my videos, I will be predominantly referring to the price in dollars, only because that's the standard at the moment. That's the world standard. And when people are watching this video, whether it's in the UK, whether it's in Asia, all the other continents, America, South America, I will be talking about the whole subject of crypto and Bitcoin in US dollars. Okay, however, like I said here, you do have the option to change and to look at that in another price. So here, being in the UK, being in London, we'd change it to GBP, and I'll click on that, let that upload. But essentially what will happen is it will give us the price in British pounds and not in US dollars here. But that's something we can look at. And there is another feature here, and it's just to help your vision, really, and it's the glare of the screen. So here the background is just a white plain background. What you want and what may help you is to change that. So I'll click on here where it has the moon, the crescent moon here. That I can change that. It's like a night vision sort of view, but it's much kinder on the eyes, much kinder on your vision. So I'd probably recommend, I'm going to stay whilst recording in this mode, but as I said, I've changed that to pounds as well. So as you can see, one Bitcoin is approximately £5,516.80, and that's in pounds. But again, for the wider audience, I will be sticking to the standard here, which is US dollars. So let me just switch that back, and then we can have a bit of a look into the price there. So the opportunity to look at Bitcoin, the current price as it stands today is $6,871 US dollars, as we've looked at earlier. Now it gives you the market cap, the volume, the 24-hour volume, the circulating supply of Bitcoin, and the max supply of Bitcoin, which is an amount of 21 million Bitcoin, which is going to be the max supply. So it's not an infinite supply, this is the max that will ever be there. So this is, again, it's about the scarcity, and the max, the limit will always be at 21 million. So no more than 21 million bitcoins will ever exist at any one given time. So what we're going to do here is focusing on Bitcoin. Here you can see that it has the rank as #1 rank. On CoinMarketCap, you can go to the Bitcoin website, so the official website. So what we'll do, let's go to the official website and just have a bit of a glimpse as to what Bitcoin is. So I'll click on here just to load up the website, org website. It's just explaining what Bitcoin is. So if you just hold on, and I'll play you a snippet of that. It's only a minute long, so it will be a very short presentation as to what Bitcoin is. Right, let me just press play. So 1 minute 36.
What is Bitcoin?
There we
Bitcoin
are.
is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to other alternatives, Bitcoins have a number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via the net, without going through a bank or clearinghouse. This means that the fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account cannot be frozen, and there are no prerequisites or arbitrary limits. Let's look at how it works. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy and sell Bitcoins for dollars, euros, and more. Your Bitcoins are kept in your digital wallet on your computer or mobile device. Sending Bitcoins is as simple as sending an email, and you can purchase anything with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated Bitcoins for verifying transactions. After transactions are verified, they are recorded in a transparent public ledger. Bitcoin opens up a whole new platform for innovation. The software is completely open source and anyone can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Bitcoins are a great way for businesses to minimize transaction fees. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them, and it's easy to set up. There are no chargebacks, and you'll get additional business from the Bitcoin economy. For more information about Bitcoin, visit weusecoins.com.
All right, so that's a very short and sweet excerpt video about what Bitcoin is and the way it will be used moving forward. So I'm just going to take you back to CoinMarketCap because I want to show you some very interesting features that help you with all the coins. But as we're here today, what we're doing is focusing on Bitcoin today. But essentially, this resource gives you a breakdown of all the different coins on CoinMarketCap and their statistics. So here are the Bitcoin stats here. So if we look here, the current Bitcoin price is at £6,872.39. So again, this is fluctuating based on the recording. However, if you'd got into Bitcoin from its initial inception date, you would have realized a 4,979% on return on investment. So that's unbelievable. That's astronomical. Again, what it's saying there is if you'd bought your first Bitcoin, for example, at $1 and today's price being at $6,000, that's a realization of 4,000%, nearly 5,000% increase. Again, there is further information here. It gives you the market cap, the 24-hour volume, the circulating supply, and also very interestingly, it tells you the all-time low. So the all-time low for Bitcoin was $65 US. This is in July 5th, 2013. So that's the all-time low, and that's compared to the all-time high, which was $20,000 US, and that's December 17th, 2017. I remember that bull run, that period, and it was unbelievable how this asset was just blowing up, a parabolic increase in the price. And again, in the space of 4 years, from 2013 to 2017, you've seen gains which are unbelievable here, from $65 to $20,000. So if you bought one coin at $65 in 2013 and just let it sit there, you'd have been able to cash out at $20,000 in 2017, which is almost 3 years ago now. So again, we'll be looking to see the price as it currently stands, as I said, it's nearly $7,000. The price, this all-time high this year, towards the back end of 2020, you'd be looking to see that well eclipsed. So we'd be looking in the region of perhaps up to $50,000 for one Bitcoin. So, for example, if today you buy one Bitcoin, it's almost $7,000, you could potentially realize a return of $50,000 by the end of 2020, if not at the beginning of 2021. So again, that is an amazing return there on an initial investment. Another interesting feature for CoinMarketCap is the fact that it provides you with the charts of each coin. So here we can see, going back, that was on, let's just leave it here. So that was on May the 1st, 2013. The price of one coin was $133. And again, as I explained, at its peak here, the price of one coin again was $19,000, almost $20,000 there. And again, over time, so since 2017 and the all-time highs, we've gone to today, which we're looking at about roughly $7,000. So as you can see, of course, this asset is volatile. However, if you do get in at the right time, you can realize returns which are astronomical and unbelievable. So again, I just wanted to quickly jump on today, give you a quick update and of the resource CoinMarketCap. It is the home of all cryptocurrencies. It's the home of where you can check the price, the stats, some of the reviews, etc. So definitely make sure to do your own research, jump on this site, have a look around. Very interesting, but it will give you a basis of the Bitcoin price, of the price of other alternative crypto assets and cryptocurrencies, and the way to gauge, moving forward. However, I will be making further videos about other resources which I believe are invaluable in helping you to understand the wonderful world of crypto assets and Bitcoin. So stay tuned, and we'll check you next time.